So after announcing the Energizer Hardcase P28K at the MWC 2024 event, Avnea Telecom, the brand that's licensed to manufacture and to release the Energizer Ultimate U660S foldable phone. This device is said to be one of the cheapest foldable devices in the entire world. Now, I don't know if this device would be cheaper than the Blackview Hero 10. The Blackview Hero 10 is also an upcoming foldable device from Blackview. It is Blackview's first foldable phone. I think the Hero 10 would be cheaper than this phone, but I don't know. Let's just explore its top features and specs. So according to the specs, U660S would feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. Under the hood, it's going to be powered by the Helio G99 paired with 12GB RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. So this device will be powered by the same Helio G99 that will be powering the Blackview Hero 10. And I think the Blackview Hero 10 has about 12GB RAM as well, so I'm seeing a similarity here. Anyway, the phone has a 3600 mAh battery, which is quite okay for a foldable device, and it ships with the latest Android 14. And I don't know if it's going to be the stock version of Android or maybe there'll be a custom skin on top, but I hope it's stock version. And in the camera department, at the back of the phone is a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor and an 8MP additional camera. And the device's punch hole houses a 25MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. And other features of the phone includes Wi-Fi, NFC, dual SIM support, and 4G connectivity. So these are some of the top features of the upcoming Energizer Ultimate U660S. According to online sources, the device will be available towards the ending of the year, around November, and it's going to retail for about $500. And I think the Blackview Hero 10 will be cheaper than this device in my opinion, because it is coming from Blackview and there will be lots of events, discount events and other events that would enable a lot of customers to be able to get the Blackview Hero 10 for a very, very affordable price. Some might even get it for free, but I'm only speculating, alright? But I believe the Hero 10 would be cheaper than this phone. Anyway, what are your thoughts about this device? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.